Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Minced beef, also known as ground beef, is a fantastic ingredient, incredibly versatile for so many different meals. Before you even think about the pan, make sure your beef is fully thawed if you've had it in the freezer. It's also a great idea to get all your other ingredients prepped and ready to go. This makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about browning, which is truly the secret to incredible flavor. Get a large pan nice and hot over a medium-high flame, then add your minced beef. Don't overcrowd the pan, you want to brown it, not steam it. Break up the beef with a spoon and let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes until it develops a beautiful, golden brown crust. This step is crucial for developing rich, deep flavors. Once your beef is beautifully browned, you'll probably see some excess fat in the pan. It's a good idea to carefully drain this out, as it prevents your dish from becoming too greasy. Now, this is the perfect moment to add your aromatics, things like finely chopped onions, fresh garlic, or even some colorful bell peppers. Sauté these along with the beef for a few minutes, until they soften and release their wonderful, inviting aromas throughout the pan. This is where all the magic happens and the flavors really come together. Now, add your chosen sauce, whether that's a rich tomato pasta sauce, a hearty gravy, or perhaps a zesty taco seasoning. Stir everything together really well, making sure your browned beef is completely coated. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This low and slow cooking allows all those delicious flavors to truly meld and deepen. And just like that, your delicious, perfectly cooked minced beef is ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile and truly pairs well with so many different side dishes. Think about serving it over a bed of fluffy pasta, alongside some savory rice, or tucked inside warm taco shells. It even makes a fantastic topping for baked potatoes or a hearty chili. Minced beef is a comforting and flavorful staple, ready for your next meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.